new antenna for a 3D LNB usage. Hello! This feature is mainly needed if you're a reseller or operator and want to add frequently used antennas for further use with 3D LNB. To do this, you need to know the offset angle. This section of the menu will be displayed in the application after specifying an unknown antenna in antenna pointing when using a 3D LNB. Serves to add a new satellite dish type, the manufacturer and model of which isn't in the application. In this menu, we put the data in the corresponding fields for the unknown dish, dish manufacturer, dish model, and offset angle. If you don't know the offset angle of the dish, then you can determine it. To do this, in setting up a dish with a 3D LNB, you must select an unknown manufacturer and an unknown dish. After that, you will need to fine-tune the dish to the desired satellite to achieve the maximum level of signal quality. As a result, the application will display the offset angle that will be used to add the new dish. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will always be aware of our latest news and developments.